Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign into Slack on phone from desktop. In this walkthrough, you'll use your desktop Slack to securely sign into the Slack app on your phone without typing credentials. It's quick, safe, and perfect when you want your channels and messages on the go. Begin by opening Slack on your desktop. This can be the desktop application or Slack in your browser. Either works. Make sure you're already signed into the workspace you want to use on your phone so the handoff is smooth. Next, look toward the top left corner of Slack, where you'll see your workspace name and icon. That area includes a small drop-down control. This menu is your hub for workspace level options, and it's where Slack places the link that connects your desktop session to your mobile device. Click the workspace name to open the drop-down. A panel will appear with various options. In this menu, find the item labeled Get the Mobile App, or a similarly named option related to signing in on mobile. Slack sometimes updates wording, but you're looking for the entry that opens the mobile sign-in prompt from your desktop. Select Get the Mobile App. A new window or panel will appear showing a QR code along with brief instructions. This code is unique to your session and helps your phone verify the correct workspace and account without exposing your credentials. For best results, increase your screen brightness so your phone can read the code easily, and make sure the code is fully visible on your display. Remember, the QR code is time limited and should not be shared. Now scan through your phone. Open your camera or your device's QR scanner and point it steadily at the code on your desktop screen. If your camera recognizes the code, you'll see a prompt to continue in Slack. If the Slack app is already installed, you'll be taken right to it to complete the sign-in. If it isn't installed yet, your phone may direct you to your app store to install Slack first, and then continue the sign-in after you open it. Keep your internet connection stable during this step, and if the scan doesn't register, adjust your distance from the screen, refocus your camera, or briefly lock and unlock your phone's camera to reset focus. Once the scan completes, your phone signs into the same Slack workspace automatically. You should see your channels and messages load, confirming a successful setup. That's it. Your desktop session has securely connected your mobile app, and you're ready to stay in sync across devices.